Hello, how you doing? It's your girl Reese. I just wanted to stop by. I know that it's been a long time since we have connected personally, but I wanted to just kind of share with you a little bit about what's going on in my life and some of the things that I'm doing and I'm so excited about. And so I just wanted to take a moment and share with you what's happening. As you can see from the t-shirt, I am an It Works ambassador, distributor. For those of you that don't know, It Works is a network marketing business that focuses on health and wellness products. And it's something that I have been in for almost going on 2 years now, and I absolutely love it. And my intention when I started with It Works was to not be flabby when I turned 40. So I joined the business in October of 2013. This time just goes by so fast. And really just had I've had a great journey with it so far, and I'm super excited about it. And, I post about it, I talk about it, I do vendor events and community meetings and all of these types of things. And it actually promoted me to want to take it further as far as helping people and helping my customers. So I became a certified health education coach through the Dr. Sears Wellness Institute this year. And I absolutely love it. I love it. I love the empowerment and the strength and guidance that it's provided for me. And I love that I now have the opportunity to pay that forward. So I'm reaching out to you because I have a couple of goals, and I am asking if you will help me to reach those goals. The number one goal is to build my It Works loyal customer community, my customer community, to 500 people. Woo! I know that's big, isn't it? But I wanted to make my goal really big because I know that without God's help, I know that without your help, without your encouragement, that I won't alone be able to obtain that. So in the next 2 years, a customer base of 500 customers, and it can be more than that. I'd be happy with that. But to help people connect to these products. The products are wonderful. We're really famous for it, the Crazy Wrap, and that's a fantastic product. I took it. I know if you've been on my Facebook or my website, you've probably seen my before and after pictures, and I still wrap. I take my greens, which is, a drink, a powdered drink that we take that helps to alkalize and detox the body. So I take that. I have lots of favorite products. I won't get into that. But I love the products, and I love connecting other people to the products. And if you have health or wellness goals that you're looking to obtain or to meet, I believe that It Works has something that will bless you, something that will help you a great deal. And then also with It Works and my health education certification through Dr. Sears Wellness Institute, I've started to offer workshops to churches. And hopefully by the end of the year, I'll be able to offer these workshops online. There is an online component that we can have for people who are not in state with me close by. And so I'm very excited. I'm excited to do that. So if you know of an organization, a workplace, a business owner, maybe independent or what have you, who is looking to have a wellness component and may want to have me come out to conduct these workshops, you can find out all about that on my websites, and they'll be listed below. So it's tailored for you, healthandwellness.com, and then also wrapwithreese.webs.com, where you can find out more about my involvement with It Works. But that is what's going on with me. I'm excited about helping people live their best lives and be the best that they can as far as their health, because our health is our greatest wealth, and it's really become a great and near and dear passion of mine to help people with their health. So I'm hoping that you will help me, and I appreciate your time. I appreciate your help. Help me spread the word and help me to get America and get as many people as possible as healthy as they can possibly be. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you. I respect you. I honor you. Until next time, remember this: the best is yet to come. Bye-bye.